Metagenomics. Metagenomics is actually called as environmental genome. Metagenomics is collection of genes sequenced from environment that can be analyzed in a way that it is analogous to the study of a single genome. In other words, metagenomics is to study the genome of the environment, or it is called as environmental genome. Mean genomes which are present in the environment. If we study those genomes, then it is called as metagenomics. What is difference between the genomic study and the metagenomic study? In case of genomic study, we study the genome of a specific organism. We just study all the genes and all the DNA of a single genome, and we try to solve the puzzle. So that is example of single source of DNA. To study single source of DNA is the example of the genomics. While in case of metagenomics, which is actually to study the environmental genome, because in the environment there is a genome of different organisms that can be considered as puzzle A, B, C and D. They are actually the genomes of different organisms. Organisms, they can be bacteria, they can be viruses which are present in the environment, and we try to solve this puzzle that which genome belongs to which strain of the bacteria. So if we study the genome which has been purified from the environment, it is called as metagenomics. Here is the example that how we can study the metagenomics and what are the sources of studying the metagenomes. We can study the metagenome by taking the genome from the environment, by taking genome from the rocks, by taking genome from the land, by taking genome from different other sources from where we can get the DNA, or from where we get the DNA of the bacteria. So we purify the genome of particular organism, that can be bacteria, that can be prokaryotes. We purify the DNA. Once we have purified the DNA, then we sequence or we study its function, or we perform the structural genomics of that DNA of that particular organism, and what kind of analysis can be performed as a result of metagenomics. We can study the metabolism, we can study the lateral gene transfer, we can do the phylogeny, as well as we can do the comparison of genes with the genomes of different organisms. So if we conclude that what is metagenomics? Metagenomics is actually to study the genome that had been extracted or that has been purified from the environment, and try to solve that this genome is belongs to a specific strain, and how we can update and how we can use that information for the benefits of the human beings is called as metagenomics. So metagenomics helps us in different ways. Metagenomics helps us to understand the cell structure and function. It helps us to understand host interactions. It helps us to understand expression of RNA and protein, discover DNA variations, genotyping, forensics, refining the minimum gene set, understanding the protein-protein interactions, drug vaccine development, genome engineering, and understanding the metabolism. So these are some of the functions or some of the categories by which we can study the metagenomes and how metagenome helps us. So metagenome helps us in different ways, that is for the improvement of the human health. So the objectives of the metagenomic study is for the examining the phylogenetic diversity with the help of 16 sRNA, or metagenomics also helps us the diversity pattern of the microorganisms for predicting the environmental conditions or for the environmental change. Other objectives of the metagenomics are to examine or to study the genes or the operons which are desired for the enzyme productions. Metagenomics can also be exploited for industrial as well as for medical applications. Metagenomics can also help us for examining the secretory, regulatory, and signal transduction mechanism which are usually present in the genes or a sample of genes, or if we have a specific interest for specific genes, with the help of metagenomics, we can examine those regulatory and signal transactions with the help of metagenomics. Metagenomics also helps us for examining the bacteriophages and plasmid sequences that are influence the diversity and structure of the microbial community. Metagenomics also helps us examining the potential lateral gene transfer, that is the knowledge of genome plasticity that may give us an idea of selective pressure for gene capture as well as for evolution within a specific habitat. Metagenomic study also helps us to understand the metabolic pathways which are present in different cells and in different organisms. It helps us towards the designing culture media. It helps us examining the specific genes that predominate in a given environment as compared to other genes. Metagenomic data can be used towards designing low and high throughput sequencing experiments for the identification of the genes. So if we conclude that what is metagenomics? Metagenomics is the study of the environmental genome. When we study the genome that has been purified from the environment, such a study or such a subdiscipline of the genomics is called as metagenomics.